Havda. Now it is the second scene of the third act of Julius Caesar. It is the final ceremony of Julius Caesar. A large number of Romans are standing at the ceremony of Julius Caesar. On this occasion, Brutus and Antony have to deliver their speeches before the public, telling them why Julius Caesar had been murdered. First of all, Brutus gets a chance to deliver his speech before the public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. In his speech, Brutus tells the public that Julius Caesar was a great dictator. He had been ambitious. He wanted to ill treat with the public living all over Rome. He wanted to behave with the public as slaves. So his murder was necessary. But Brutus is not in position to prove all these things. Brutus delivers his speech in poetic style. He uses philosophy in his speech. He uses tough words to show his scholarship. But he is not in position to touch the soft core of the public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. The illiterate public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar are not in position to understand the philosophy, poetry, and tough words used by Brutus. Afterwards, he is not in position to touch the sentiments and emotions of the public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. Afterwards, Antony gets a chance to deliver his speech before the public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. With boldness, courage, and confidence, Antony delivers his speech before the public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. Because in his speech, because in his speech there is nothing but truth. He has to present the real cause of Julius Caesar's murder before the public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. In his speech, Julius Caesar says, in his speech, Antony says that Julius Caesar was a great king. He was the form of morality, nobility, honesty, and truth. He always imparted love and affection among the public living all over Rome. He wanted to impart his property and wealth among the public living all over Rome. He wanted to open the doors of his garden and palaces for the common people living all over Rome. He was the king of democratic nature. In his eyes, the government is of the people, for the people, and by the people. In this way, Antony tries his best to touch the sentiments and emotions of the public standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. He uses simple words in his speech, and he tries his best to touch the soft core of the public Romans standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. Afterwards, like a perfect politician, having the dead body of his like a perfect politician, having the dead body of Julius Caesar in his both hands, he appears before the Romans standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. He shows the wounds. He shows the wounds and blood coming out from the dead body of Julius Caesar. He tells them that under the planning, all those conspirators had jointly committed the murder of their noble, great, and democratic king named Julius Caesar. He shows the wounds made by Casca, He shows the wounds made by Cassius, and he shows the wounds made by Brutus. Brutus is the true friend of Julius Caesar, but he has become treacherous. आत्मघाती बन जाता है बेटा. He comes in the grip of, he is a nobleman. Brutus is a nobleman, but he comes in the grip of the conspirators. So, seeing the when Julius Caesar looks the open sword in the hand of Julius Caesar, he is stunned. When Caesar looks the sword in the hand of open sword in the hand of Brutus, he is stunned and surprised. He threw an arrow of question and asked Brutus whether he was also with those conspirators. In this way, Antony presents his dignified speech before the public, standing at the furnace ceremony of Julius Caesar. On hearing the speech from the tongue of Antony, those conspirators who were standing among the public run, so that they might save their life, ताकि वे अपनी जिंदगी क्या कर सके, बचा सके. On the other hand, on hearing the dignified, powerful speech from the tongue of Antony, the public become excited and they want to take revenge against the conspirator for the murder of Julius Caesar. Thank you. Okay.